Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I've probably done a video almost exactly like this, but this I think clarifies it a little bit more. You have two objects. I've got a 2-inch square inside of a 10-inch square. If we select both of them and hit R, it's going to go to the right side of the two items selected. If we hit L, it's going to go to the left side. If we hit C, it's going to go to the center. If we hit T, like in Tom, it's going to go to the top. B, like in boy, it's going to go to the bottom. And P, it's going to go to the center only because my yellow box is in the center. So what's the E? Basically the center, the C is center. I don't have them both selected. C is centering it horizontally, and E is going to center it vertically. So those are 7 one keystrokes that can help you tremendously. They don't have to be in the same box. We're going to move this one down and we're going to hit E. It moved it evenly with the side. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.